Many projects have the three functions of schedule, cost, and risk managed by different people in disparate tools. While the project manager has all the relevant data, when asked a simple question such as, what is the chance of this project still finish on time, they struggle to answer. Trying to manage risk, schedule, and cost using disparate tools just doesn't work. Primavera Prime allows you to bring together schedule, cost, and risk into one place to turn that data into insight and allow for better decision making to manage the risk in your projects. This simple project lasts just over 2 years, finishing mid-December of 2018. But how realistic is that finish date? How late might the project run given the risks? For any activity, Prime allows us to capture directly the uncertainty in that activity duration. So while this contract process activity has a remaining duration estimate of 120 days, we've also captured 3-point estimates alongside for a triangular distribution. In this way, we capture the uncertainty in duration for those activities we know for certain will occur. Prime also allows us to capture the risks in our project right here in the same place as the schedule. No more need to go to different tools for risks compared to the schedule. Prime's risk register also allows those events which may or may not occur to all be recorded, along with their estimated probabilities and their impact on schedule, cost, and any other project objectives. A risk score is then generated to help prioritize which risks we should focus on. Because we now have risks and schedule in the same place, we can also make a connection between the two. If risk 9 occurs, it is the external approvals that will get delayed. If risk 1 occurs, there are 4 activities that would all be impacted. This connection between risks and activities means we can also simulate the potential impact on the overall project finish date. Remember our proposed finish date of mid-December? There is 0 chance of this being met. In fact, as it stands, if we want a date we are 90% confident of achieving, we should instead be looking at early June next year, over 120 days later. The tornado chart helps us see which risks would have the greatest improvement in project finish date if they could be removed. In this case, if risk 5 could be removed, our finish date would improve by 19 days. Armed with this information, we can focus our risk responses in the best areas for maximum impact. Here, a response plan is put in place to reduce the probability of risk 5 occurring and reduce the impact on schedule should it occur. We can test to see what would be the result of our proposed response plans before approving them. Our pessimistic finish has improved from early June to early April as a result of our proposed plans. This is an improvement of 42 days as a result of proactively managing the risks in our project. Again, because everything is here in one place, we can also see those impacts from risks directly into the schedule. Here we see both the pre-response bars in dark red and how much we could pull back if we implement those response plans. Prime has shown us how managing risk, schedule, and cost in the one place can firstly help quantify the impact of risks on schedule, and secondly, how we can proactively manage risks to improve our chances of success. Risk management helps organizations predict where issues will arise and mitigate them before they happen. This is critical to bringing projects in on time and on budget.